to half let f of xy is equal to half of 1 plus x square into y square. If you see the difference between all these values, the difference between 0 and 0.1, difference between 0.1 and 0.2, difference between 0.2 and 0.3, everywhere you find the consecutive terms with a variation of 0.1. So I can conclude that h is equal to 0.1. So as per the requirement of the problem, initial value is given, three values are provided. We are asked to find out the fourth value as well as the fifth value. So to get the fourth value, I will be using the predictor formula for y4 and corrector formula is y4 of 1. So here x0 is 0, y0 is 1. f0 will be f of x0, y0. Is the value 0.5? F1 is
Yes, sir.
0.56
Yes, sir.
F4, F2 is this value. All these values were estimated or not?
X3
X3 is
0.7979 है sir.
0.7979. Yeah, rest all
Yes.
values are clear. This we had calculated. Yes. Was this part over? Calculation of F2 and F3 or yet to be done?
सर x3 तक हो गया था.
x3 तक हो गया था. So did you calculate f3 also? f3 is f of x3 comma y3. This is the function half into 1 plus x square into y square. Did you put the value in this? यहां तक आया है क्या?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So by predictor formula, y4 will be y0 plus 4h by 3, 2f1 minus f2 plus 2f3. Right? So put the values. Y0 is 1, 4h by 3. This will be what he is saying is 0.7979. Sorry. So please check what you are getting.
1.2771.
1.2771.
Huh.
Yeah. So y4 is 1.2771. f4 will be calculated with the help of this y4. So we put it in the formula 1 plus x square into y square. And what is x4? x4 is x3 plus h. So 0.3 plus 0.1, that will be 0.4. So we will be taking x4 as 0.4. बराबर है? So f of x4 comma y4, please check क्या आ रहा है तो
0.9459.
0.9459.
Yes.
Now correct the formula y4 of 1. Put it
1.2796.
1.2796, right? See, y4 and y4 of 1 will surely have the difference. तो अपने को आगे बढ़ के y4 of 2 निकालना ही है, for which f4 of 1 is required.
Sir, F4 of 1 0.9496.
0.9496. Please check.
हाँ सर वही है 0.9496.
Okay. So go with it further. So y4 of 1, y4 of 1 is 1.2796. I will have to calculate y4 of 2 as well, because y4 of 1 and y4 will have the deviation. So for calculating y4 of 2, f4 of 1, it is x4 comma y4 of 1, that is giving you 0.969496. पुटिंग दैट कितना आ रहा है बताइएगा. आई थिंक वन मोर इटरेशन.
97
1.27
सर
97
1.36
1.2797.
हाँ सर.
यस सर बराबर.
तो 1.2796 और 97 में डिफरेंस है, तो वन मोर वैल्यू वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट. f4 ऑफ 2 निकालो. f4 of 2 will be f of x4 comma y4 of 4, sorry y4 of 2. ठीक है. एंड देन y4 of 3 चेक करेंगे अपन.
सर y4 of 2 is equals to 0.9498.
0.9498.
Yes.
Yes, all of you are getting it.
Yes sir.
वैसे देखा जाए तो ये फोर्थ प्लेस पे डेविएशन है तो चलता है, बट इफ वी आर गेटिंग इट इक्वल इन वन इटरेशन वी शुड मूव अहेड, राइट? अदरवाइज इट इज आल्सो परमिसिबल because the deviation is plus minus 0.0001. It is as good as same, but still if we are getting it in the immediate step we can calculate and stop. So y4 of 3 will have here the value f4 of 2. And वो शायद आएगा 1.2797.
Yes sir 1.279.
1.2797. So this is 1.2797 and f4 कितना है 0.9498. So ये अपना f4 and y4 that is y of 0.4 फाइनलाइज हो सकता है. Clear?
Yes sir.
Yes, completed up to this. तो आपका प्रॉब्लम का फर्स्ट पार्ट इज ओवर. Herein I had to calculate y4, that is y of 0.4. But also what is asked over here in this example?
0.5.
Y of 0.5 is also to be estimated, right? So by predictor formula, what is the formula for y5? See, in predictor formula of y4 it starts with y0. In predictor formula of y5 it starts with y1. y1 plus 4h by 3 multiplied by what it will be? 2f3 minus f4 plus 2f5. Yes. y5 will be y1 plus 4h by 3 2f2 minus f3 plus 2f4. वहां पर कैसा था y0 1 2 3, here 1 2 3 4, y1 f2 f3 f4. kindly calculate it.
Sir 1.3808.
1.3808 तो सही लिखा है. 1.3808. सी यहाँ पर वैल्यूज आपने बराबर लेना है, वॉट एवर वी आर हैविंग. right? So all mathematical calculations are there. Nothing new in this. So y5 हो गया, तो f5 निकालना पड़ेगा ताकि फर्स्ट करेक्टर फॉर्मूला y5 of 1 will be evaluated. So see y5 will be x5 क्या है 0.5 x4 plus h, right? x5 is x4 plus h. 0.4 plus 0.1, that is 0.5. This is the value. देखिए तो is it coming out as this 1.1916?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so f5 is obtained. Now using this f5, I will be getting down the first corrected value, y5 of 1. वहां पर क्या था y2, f2, f3, f4. Here it is y3, f3, f4, f5. y5 of 1, and this 4 I told you it gets associated in the middle. पहले इसमें है 0 1 2 3, here it is 2 2, यहां पर है 2 2 3 4 की जगह 3 3 4 5, right? So y5 of 1, y3 plus h by 3 multiplied by f3 plus 4 f4 plus f5.
1.4029.
1.4029. Yes, it is available with us. $1.4029. f5 of 1, f of x5 comma y5 of 1.
Sir, 1.2300.
Acha, it is 1.2300. You people are all taking the values up to 4 decimal places as it is, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes. Now using this f5 of 1, y5 of 2 निकालेंगे. चेक करो क्या आता है.
1.4042.
अच्छा, इसमें तो डिफरेंस है बहुत. y5 of 1 में और y5 of 2 में डिफरेंस है, तो आगे और बढ़ना पड़ेगा. I think here we require 3-4 approximations. Up to 4
Third
approximations.
and fourth same है sir.
Third and fourth
Same है.
हाँ.
कौन से?
Third and fourth.
हाँ, y3, y5 of 3 and
y5 of
y5
3
of
and
4.
y5 of 4. हाँ.
y5 of 2 इतने जल्दी हो गया आपका कंप्लीट?
सर कल ही कर दिया था.
अच्छा, you have completed it. Okay. y5 of 2 is f of x5 comma y5 of 2. What is it? 1.2324.
1.2323.
1.2323. Then y5 of 3. y5 of 3 will be
1.4043.
1.4043. Okay. But this value and this value, though at the fourth place it is different or it differs, but still, as I am saying again and again, in the next approximation, if we are getting it equal, we should go for it, right? Otherwise, this is also permissible. So what I am required to find by f5 of 3. f5 of 3 is
1.2325.
f
1.2325.
of x5 comma y5 of 3 आएगा शायद
Yes, sir.
1.2325
2325.
and अभी y5 of 4 यहाँ पर फॉर्मूले में y5 of 4 में यहाँ पर f5 of 3 रहेगा, तो कितना है ये वैल्यू
1.4043.
1.4043. ठीक है. So y of 0.5 is 1.4043. So y5 of 3 and y5 of 4 are equal. I stop the process. तो y of 0.5 कितना आ रहा है 1.4043. y of 0.4 कितना लिखा था 1. What are the two values? Answer में final answer. Y of 0.4 is
1.2797.
1.2797 and y of 0.5 is 1.4043. Clear up to this?
Yes, sir.
Finished everybody? Completed? All of you have done it? सबका हो गया बेटा?
Yes, sir.
Are all calculations clear? Though the process is lengthy, but it is not difficult, I understand. Is it okay? Can we move to the next?
Yes, sir.
लिखो third problem. Solve dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square. Given y of 1, given y is equal to 1 when x equal to 0. Compute y of 0.3 by Milne's method.
सर पिछले प्रॉब्लम में वो y of 0.4 और y of 0.5 का एडिशन नहीं करना था.
एडिशन करना है? Who said? Only we have to evaluate y of 0.4 and y of 0.5. That's it. एडिशन करने बोला है क्या कहीं पर?
सर क्वेश्चन में y ऑफ 0.4 प्लस y ऑफ 0.5 था.
प्लस था?
यस सर, एडिशन का
No.
साइन.
Where it is? It is not addition, it is and.
ओके सर.
This is, this is and. Y of 0.4 and y of 0.5 by Milne's predictor corrector method. You people have written addition or what? That is not addition.
Yes.
That is and. Yeah. Did you understand this example? Solve dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square. If you are asked to find the addition also, y of 0.4 plus y of 0.5, you can add them, right? Not a problem. Yes, what is the difference or peculiarity of this example? Can anybody tell me by observation how this example is different from the previous one? What was given in the previous examples and what is different in this?
सर पहले 3 वैल्यूज दी थी x1 y1 x0 y0 और x2 y2 और
See, here also x0 y0 is given. This is the initial value. This is x0, this is y0. But what is not given? The three
Right.
different values which we require, right? I told you one condition will be initial value, three values or information for the y and x should be provided, and this is estimated or considered as the fourth value, right? But यहाँ पर वो नहीं दिया है, नहीं दिया है तो what is the different provision or a way to calculate those? As we have seen earlier, if the values are not provided, which method is applicable for that?
Taylor series.
Taylor series method.
Taylor's series method will enable us. If you remember, I was insisting from the beginning that though the example is not asked on the Taylor series separately, but this particular logic or the phenomena will be used to find the values when the data is not provided in the question. So from the given data, I write f of xy is equal to dy by dx means y dash is equal to x square plus y square. When x equal to 0, y is 1, we take h is equal to 0.1 because 0 से 0.3 तक का जो भी distance है वो 0.1 के through cover करना है. So first we calculate all the derivatives, and by Taylor series example or Taylor series method we calculate the value at 0.1, at 0.2 and minus 0.1. See, we require three values in successive, right? In succession. So y of 0 is equal to 1, ये तो given है. From this condition, when x equal to 0, y is equal to 1, this is nothing but y of 0 equal to 1. Now y dash is equal to the given question, x square plus y square. Calculate y dash of 0. Y double dash इसका derivative, derivative of x square is 2x, derivative of y square is 2y y dash. Calculate y double dash of 0. I hope everybody remembers the Taylor series method. Yes. Calculate y triple dash and y to the power 4 for better accuracy. वैसे देखा जाए तो I told you that we calculate the values up to 4 terms. 4 terms means third order derivative. And then we put them in the series. Are, do you remember Taylor series expansion?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that is how we will have to simplify. Are the derivatives okay? And putting down the values, you are getting it same? Yes. This is 0 plus 2 into 1 into 1. So we are getting it as 2. बराबर है? Y triple dash is 8. Is it correct? This is 2
Yes, sir.
plus 2 plus 4. That will be giving you 8. Y4 of x, 28. Y dash and this will be 12, I think. Y dash is 1, y double dash is 2. So 6 2s are 12. 2 into 1 into 8. 8 2s are 16 plus 12. 28. Right? So this is how we get y4 of 0. So by Taylor's series, what is that series expansion? Y is equal to y of 0 plus x into y dash of 0. You remember this? Plus x square by 2 factorial into y double dash of 0 plus x cube upon 3 factorial. 3 factorial is 6 into y triple dash of 0 and so on. This is how we write down the Taylor's series expansion. And now here we go on putting down the values. Now which values I want? Y of 0.1, y of 0.2, y of 0.3 to be estimated. तो एक रिवर्स में निकालेंगे -0.1 करके. ठीक है. The difference is 0.1. 0 plus 0.1 is 0.1. 0 minus 0.1 is minus 0.2. Is it fine? See, apart from initial condition, I want 3 values in succession. So here, if you see, it is 0.3. So I want 0.2, 0.1 and 0. But initial uska minus 0.1 rahega, one step back. So by Taylor series you calculate. ये तो 0 के लिए दिया ही है already. We take it as x1. Is it clear? So this I will not say as x0 right now. This will be the condition which is given for calculation of the Taylor's series expansion. After evaluating the values, I will decide which is to be considered as x0 and which is to be considered as x1. So after evaluation and taking difference as h, x0 will be minus 0.1, x1 will be 0 successively. If you go on adding 0.1, then 0.1, 0.2. Is it okay? In this case, whatever was the given condition, that cannot be considered as initial. That is only helpful for the series expansion by Taylor's method. Is the difference clear from the previous examples and this?
Yes, sir.
I hope you are getting the values of the function as same or any deviation is there. y of minus 0.1 इतना है क्या? सीरीज में डालिएगा. x की जगह 0.1 minus 0.1. So it will be giving you this. और फंक्शन में ये पुट करो. फंक्शन क्या है? x square plus y square. Is it okay?
सर y2 1.11145 है.
ओके. बाकी बराबर है क्या? y2 is 1.1114. ऐसा कहना है उसका.
यस सर.
So x0 is minus 0.1. Y of 0 is y of minus 0.1. f0 will be f of x0 comma y0. x2, x3 is also calculated.
सर y0 0.88855 आ रहे हैं.
y0,
हाँ.
the first value, putting x as minus 0.1 in this expression.
Yes sir.
What is it giving you?
0.88855.
0.888. इतना डिफरेंस आएगा? See, this will be minus, this will be minus, this will be plus, this will be plus. Check it once. In place of x, you have to put minus 0.1. Taylor's series expansion is correct. It is reduced properly 4 by 3, 7 by 6. या उसमें कुछ गलत है?
सर वो नहीं देखो।
प्लीज चेक करो ना।
हाँ।
एक्स स्क्वायर बाई 2 इंटू वाई डबल डैश डालने के बाद फोर बाई थ्री एक्स क्यूब ये बराबर है क्या? y triple dash is 8.
सर सीरीज बराबर है।
Series is correct. Okay. So is everybody getting y of 0 minus
Yes, sir.
0.1 is this?
नो
Yes,
क्या
sir.
है?
0.88855.
ओके
Sir.
फिर ये फंक्शन का वैल्यू देखो तो क्या है?
सर 0.90878 आ रहा है।
0.90878.
नो सर।
सर
Yes, sir.
0.90878 आ रहा है।
Yes,
हाँ
sir.
सर।
0.9087.
You put this in function x square plus y square. X is minus 0.1 whole square. हाँ और y square यानी ये इसका स्क्वायर तो क्या आएगा? जीरो पॉइंट 90878.
सर वाई नॉट 0.90878।
Why not?
सर वाई जीरो मतलब वाई ऑफ
Why-
हाँ
ये-
सर वाई जीरो उतना ही आ रहा है सर।
तो ये क्यों इतना ऐसा बता रहा है 88855?
सर कुछ प्लस माइनस का हो गया होगा शायद उसका।
यानी मैंने जो वैल्यू लिखा वो सही है क्या?
हाँ सर करेक्ट है।
सर राउंड ऑफ नहीं किया तो लास्ट डिजिट तो
87
7
हाँ
चाहिए।
0.9087 बोल रहे हो ना आप?
यस सर।
हाँ ठीक है चलो 0.9087 करो. Who said this value for minus 0.1 is 0.8885? Please check.
सर मैं बोलाता हूँ।
हाँ
सर,
तो
मैं-
देखो ना
सर उतना
कहाँ
ही
गड़बड़, कहाँ डिफरेंस आ रहा है? वन माइनस 0.1 प्लस 0 माइनस 0.1 होल स्क्वायर हाँ माइनस 4/3 इंटू 0.1 होल क्यूब क्योंकि क्यूब का नेगेटिव नंबर का क्यूब इज गोइंग टू बी नेगेटिव. यहां पर ये प्लस ही रहेगा. सो यू शुड नॉट गेट द डिफरेंस इन द आंसर.
0.9087 ही आ रहा.
Okay, fine. So we move ahead with this. And this value is what? 0.8359.
Sir, 0.8357.
0.8357. चलो नेक्स्ट बढ़ो आगे. कैलकुलेट y1 तो यही आएगा भाई, नो डिफरेंस. सब 0 0 0 है. 1 प्लस 0 1 आएगा. 0 स्क्वायर प्लस 1 स्क्वायर विल बी 1, राइट?
हाँ सर करेक्ट है।
कीपिंग x2 as 0.1. करो जल्दी करो.
सर 1.115।
सर 1.11145।
हाँ एंड f2
सर 1.2452।
1.2452 at x equal to 0.2.
सर 1.2 2525.
1.2525 और ये
सर 1.6087.
6087।
यस सर.
यहां तक क्लियर है क्या? यस।
यस सर.
All of you have obtained the values up to this.
Yes, sir.
By predictor formula, y4 will be y0 plus 4h by 3 2f1 minus f2 plus 2f3. Calculate. Now you have all the values with you. f1 is calculated, f2 is calculated, f3 is calculated, right? y0 आपके पास है, f0 नहीं लगता बट y0 लगता है. y0 put it correctly, 0.9087.
सर 1.3653.
y4
हाँ सर.
y0 plus 4h. You to call these three values na, f1 f2 and f3.
सर 1.4383.
हाँ वही तो, इतना डिफरेंस कहाँ से आएगा?
1.4382 आ रहा सर.
सर 1.43832.
f1 is 1, f2 is 1.2452 and f3 is 1.6087.
सर सही है सर, सही है.
1.43832.
यस सर.
यस सर.
Okay, fine. So f4 will be f of x4 comma y4. यहां पर एक ही स्टेप में है, y4 of 1, y4 of 2, y4 of 3. जहां तक जाएगा बस उतना ही कैलकुलेशन करना है, नॉट फर्दर.
सर 2.1587.
2.1587. The better approximation to y4, that is y4 of 1, it will be y4 of 1 is equal to y2 plus h by 3 f2 plus 4f3 plus f4. ऐसा ही आएगा फॉर्मूला. y2 plus h by 3 f2 plus 4f3 plus f4. वन पॉइंट 4383. ये भी देखो क्या है. What is it giving you? Y4 of 1?
Sir, 1.43935.
1.4393.
Yes, sir.
One 1.43935. Please check.
Yes, sir.
अभी इसका हेल्प लेंगे अपन F4 of 1 निकालने के लिए, फिर F4 of Y4 of 2 निकालना है। ये कितना है देखो,
टू पॉइंट 16172.
2.1617। Is everybody getting the same?
सर 2.1615 आ रहा है।
2.1615, 2.16172। क्या है फंक्शन, क्या पुट किए? एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर है ना?
सर मैंने 5th प्लेस तक पुट किए।
नहीं 4 प्लेस तक करो ना बेटा सिर्फ।
अच्छा ठीक है सर।
1.4393 स्क्वायर
तो फिर
प्लस
15 है सर, 4th प्लेस
हाँ
तक। 4th प्लेस तक 15 है। 2.1615।
हाँ 2.1615। ये भले बता रहे हैं बट वी टेक इट अप टू 4 प्लेसेस एज इट इज। 0.3 होल स्क्वायर प्लस ये कैसे आएगा इसका फंक्शन? 0.3 होल स्क्वायर प्लस 1.4393 होल स्क्वायर बराबर है, ऐसे ही आएगा।
यस सर।
एंड दैट इज गिविंग यू 2.1615।
Yes,
चलो
sir.
F4 of 1 लेकर अभी Y4 of 2 निकालो। कितना है देखते, रुकता है कि और आगे जाता है? Y4 of 2, I don't think it will stop at Y4 of 2, Y4 of 3 निकालना पड़ेगा शायद।
वन 1.4394।
1.4394। hardly only one place difference is there, but you need to calculate it again then। अभी क्या निकालो? F4 of 2 निकालो। हाँ और फिर Y4 of 3 निकालो।
Sir, 2.1618. 1618.
F4 of 2 बराबर है।
Yes, sir.
हाँ
y4 of 3 1.4394.
हाँ सेम आया.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
So y4 of 2 and y4 of 3 are coming out as same. ठीक है. So final answer क्या है? Y of 0.3 is 1.4394. Clear है?
Yes sir.
Yeah. Completed everybody? I hope everybody has done the calculation. Not only very few are telling the answers, but rest all others are also calculating and verifying whether they are getting the same or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Others?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So is there any deviation now?
Yes, sir.
Done everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
So note down the practice problems. With this we come to an end of Milne's predictor corrector method. ठीक है? So all the three patterns or the types we have covered. In first question it was direct. In second we were asked to calculate the fifth value. In the third question we had to determine the values with the help of Taylor's series method. आई बात समझ में?
हाँ, sir.
Yes. Note down the practice problems. dy by dx is equal to x square into y1 plus y. Y of 1 equal to 1. 1.1 का value 1.2, 1.3 everything is given.
सर मैथ्स M3 की MCQ टेस्ट होगी क्या?
हाँ होगी ना.
सर कब से?
टुमारो आई थिंक. फुल पेपर फुल ऑल यूनिट्स पे लेंगे. कब लेना है? 12 तारीख 13 तारीख. इट विल बी नॉट यूनिट वाइज. Are you all prepared for the units or still you require time?
सर
ऐसा.
संडे को रख दो.
ठीक है, ठीक है. Noted down the question. Dy by dx is equal to x square into 1 plus y. Y of 1 equal to 1. Y of 1.1 is 1.233. Y of 1.2 is 1.548. Y of 1.3 is 1.979. Evaluate y of 1.4 by Milne's method. See, initial value and three corresponding values are provided. We are calculating the fourth value. ठीक है? Is it okay?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Kindly verify the answer. कितना है उतना देख लेना. Completed the first, second वाला. Solve dy by dx as 1 plus xy square. Y of 0 equal to 1 for x is equal to 0.4 by using Milne's method when it is given that 0.1 के लिए this is the value.